In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import transactions into Xero, full 20s 25 guide. If you're catching up on bookkeeping, migrating from another system, or just want a faster way to bring in sales data, importing is a reliable option. Today we'll walk through importing sales invoices using Xero's built-in tools, and I'll share practical tips to avoid common errors along the way. Start on your Xero dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct organization before you proceed, especially if you have access to more than one. From here, open the business menu to access your day-to-day sales workflows. Then choose Invoices. This section is for accounts receivable, your sales invoices. If you're looking to import other items like bills or bank statements, those live in different areas. But for now, we're focusing on sales invoices only. Inside the invoices area, look for the import option. It's typically located near the top of the page. Clicking Import takes you to Xero's import screen, where you can prepare and upload your file. Xero generally accepts CSV files for invoices, and there's usually a sample template available on this page. Using the template is a great way to ensure your columns match what Xero expects. Typical fields include contact name, invoice number, invoice date, due date, reference, description, quantity, unit amount, account code, and tax type. Keep dates in a consistent format, use valid account codes from your chart of accounts, and make sure your tax rates match the ones that exist in Xero. When preparing your data, use one row per line item. Keep invoice numbers unique to avoid duplicates, and double-check contact names so Xero can match or create them correctly. Save your CSV in UTF-8 encoding to prevent character issues, and avoid formulas. Use plain values only. If your amounts are tax exclusive, confirm that your tax type column reflects that. Small details here save a lot of time later. Back on the import screen, upload your file, and follow the on-screen prompts to map each column from your CSV to the correct field in Xero. Take a moment to review the mappings carefully. This is where most mistakes get caught. If a column's not needed, leave it unmapped rather than forcing it into the wrong field. When everything looks good, start the import. Xero will validate the file and show you a summary of what's coming in. If it flags any errors, like invalid dates, missing contacts, or account codes that don't exist, fix those in your CSV and try again. A good practice is to test with a handful of invoices first, then import the full batch once you're confident. That's it. You've imported your sales invoices into Xero quickly and accurately with a process you can reuse whenever you need.